What is up, Fit Squad? I'm here to give you the hard science to live longer and lift harder. We're talking about healthspan, staying strong, sharp, and capable until the very end. Before we dive into the list, do yourself a favor, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Join the movement of people who refuse to grow old quietly. And hey, comment gains below right now if you're ready to upgrade your biology today. Number 10. The metabolic shield. Raspberries and blackberries. Starting at number 10, we have the Fiber Kings, raspberries and blackberries. Why does a fitness pro care about berries? Because they pack 8 grams of fiber per cup. That is massive for blunting glucose spikes and keeping your insulin response stable. High insulin is the fast track to aging, but these berries keep you in the fat-burning longevity zone. Plus, they are loaded with anthocyanins to kill those free radicals trying to wreck your cells. Number 9 is the most underrated food in the fitness world. Prunes. I know, they're for old people. Exactly, because they keep you from feeling like one. Research shows that just 50 to 100 grams of prunes daily can prevent bone loss and improve bone mineral density. They even alter your gut microbiome, increasing the Lactospiraceae family, which lowers systemic inflammation. If you want your frame to support your muscle for decades, start snacking on these. Are you eating prunes? Comment bones if you are. Number 8. The collagen catalyst. Oranges. Coming in at number 8, we have the classic orange. One orange delivers 92% of your daily vitamin C. Why is that a longevity play? Because vitamin C is the essential cofactor for collagen synthesis. It keeps your skin firm, your joints supple, and your arteries flexible. We're staying young from the inside out, people. Number 7. The senolytic snack. Apples. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it clears out the zombie cells. Apples are loaded with quercetin, a powerful flavonoid that acts as a natural senolytic, helping your body clear out old, damaged cells before they cause trouble. For the maximum hit, go for the Red Delicious variety. It has some of the highest total phenolic and flavonoid content. And don't you dare peel it. The skin is where the magic happens. Number 6. The vascular powerhouse. Watermelon. Number 6 is my favorite pre-workout fruit. Watermelon. It's 92% water, keeping you hydrated at a cellular level. But the real secret is the amino acid L-citrulline. This stuff increases blood flow to your muscles and tissues, supporting healthy blood pressure and vascular stamina. It even helps relieve sore muscles after a brutal session. Natural pre-workout? Yes, please. Number 5. The recovery elixir. Tart cherry. Number 5 is for the elite. Tart cherries, specifically the Montmorency variety. These beauties are a natural source of melatonin, the master hormone for sleep and mitochondrial repair. Faster recovery, better sleep, more gains. If you're not using tart cherry juice after a heavy leg day, you're missing out. Number 4. The DNA insurance. Kiwi fruit. Number 4 is the DNA fixer. Kiwi fruit isn't just a vitamin C bomb. Research shows it actually stimulates DNA repair processes like base excision repair. It helps your body fix the genetic damage caused by oxidative stress and aging. 1 or 2 kiwis a day is like an insurance policy for your genome. Who's adding kiwi to their prep? Comment DNA below. Number 3. The sirtuin spark. Avocado. Top 3, squad! Number 3 is the avocado. This is a longevity superfood because it's monounsaturated fats, which boosts your resistance to oxidative stress. It also supports SIRT1, a master longevity gene that regulates metabolism and DNA stability. Plus, those healthy fats are required to absorb the nutrients from everything else on this list. Number 2. The mitochondrial reset. Pomegranate. This is pure cellular gold. Pomegranates contain elagitannins that your gut bacteria convert into urolithin A. This molecule triggers mitophagy, the process where your cells recycle old, junk mitochondria and replace them with brand new, high-energy ones. Clinical trials in elite athletes show it reduces muscle damage and fatigue. It's a literal mitochondrial reboot. And finally, at number 1, the undisputed king of longevity, blueberries. These little powerhouses are packed with anthocyanins that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. Studies show that consistent blueberry intake can slow down cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. They improve focus, memory, and even executive function. If you want a brain that stays as sharp as your physique, you need a cup of these every single day. They are the cornerstone of the mind diet for a reason. There you have it, the top 10 fruits to keep you young, strong, and unstoppable. Don't just pick one. Diversity is the key. Rotating these fruits gives you a wider range of protective flavonoids. Before you go, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're building a community of legends here at Mr. Fit. Comment longevity if you watch to the end. And let me know which fruit you're adding to your diet tomorrow. Now get out there, fuel your body, and crush your limits. I'll see you in the next one.